In this, we'll understand about nature of research in management. So, as we know, management is a multifaceted function. A nature of research in management is also multifaceted, and it involves the systematic investigation of various aspects of, let us say, strategy, operations, finance, leadership, organizational behavior, maintenance. It can be of any functions. So the research can take into many forms, including qualitative, quantitative, and mixed method approaches. Now let us see what are these. Qualitative research in management, it typically involves collecting data through interviews. Basically, non-quantity, no quantity things are involved in this, no numericals are involved in this. Data through interviews, focus groups, observations, and other techniques to gain an in-depth understanding of specific phenomena within the organization. This type of research can be particularly useful for exploring complex issues that may be difficult to quantify. Quantitative research, it typically involves collecting and analyzing numerical data to test hypotheses or identify patterns and relationships. This type of research often relies on statistical analysis to draw conclusions from the data. Mixed methods, where you have both qualitative as well as quantitative, which will be very ideal. It typically involves combining qualitative and quantitative approaches to gain a more comprehensive understanding of a organizational phenomena. This type of research can be particularly useful for exploring complex issues that may require multiple methods of investigation. Management research can be applied. It can be applied or it can be theoretical, means immediate application, or it is only for theoretical purpose. Both are possible. And it can cover a wide range of topics such as human resource management, organizational behavior, strategic management, marketing, finance, and operations management. The goal of this research is to generate knowledge that can be used to improve organizational performance and inform some best management practices, and also advance our understanding of how organizations function. What are the different exercises in writing a management research? First one is identify what is the research problem. So we need to choose a topic that we are interested in and identify a specific problem or issue related to management that we want to investigate. This could be related to human resource or leadership or strategy or operations or any other aspect of management. So then we go into conducting a literature review where we study a lot of journals, magazines, any previous research, all those things. Conduct a thorough review of existing literature related to our research problem. This will help us to identify the gaps in knowledge and provide a foundation for our research. Then third point is develop research questions or hypotheses. So while we start studying and we do a lot of literature review, we come across with a lot of questions. So those questions, we will note it down, or we will create some assumptions, which we will write it as a hypothesis, a statement of assumption. Develop a specific research questions or hypothesis that we want to investigate in our study. Choose a research design. A research design will allow us to answer our research question or test our hypothesis. That can be qualitative, quantitative, or mixed research design. Determine how much will be the sample size and what type of sample we are going to collect, and the different data collection method from where we are going to collect the relevant data. Identify the population and sample that we want to study and choose an appropriate data collection method such as surveys or interviews or observations. Then we develop a data analysis plan. This will determine how we will analyze the data, what we collect. And also it could include statistical analysis or any other methodologies. Then finally, we come out with writing a draft proposal using the information, whatever we gathered previously, write our research proposal, and that could include an introduction to our research problem, a review of our literature, and then our research question. Whatever we did, all those things will get covered, and our sample and data collection method, and finally our data analysis plan. So once we do this, next is to revise and refine. So we may give it to our, we may take feedback from all our peers or any advisors or any other stakeholders, we will get their feedback. Based on the feedback and our own review, we will try to revise, we will try to refine, we will try to complete our final proposal. And then finally, we'll submit our proposal to you, to our advisor or the research committee or any other appropriate authority for approval. So these are the various steps we do while preparing a management research proposal, and how do we approach to it.